Hi, here is the guest house. We are entering into the reception area. Here we have a very beautiful and greenery lounge. It's very green and very beautiful. Then we are entering into the reception area. Here is the entrance. Even in the balcony we have very beautiful and royal sofas. And here is the view for lounge. Then this is the vintage room that we took. If you enter into here, we have a beautiful wallpaper. Then we have sofas accommodated, and this is for fire. We can enjoy hot fire when we are in cool weather. And this is the mirror, and we have TV. Here is the bed. It looks like a patte mancham. Then we have beautiful lights available. This is a bed lamp, and here is the wardrobe. This is all wood. Then hanger and luggage rest. Here is the dressing table. This is the bathroom, bathtub. This bath. Then we have another exit from this room, and we have a beautiful scenery available. Now I will show the another room where one of my friend accommodated. This is the entrance. This is also a vintage room. This is the bed. We have sofas accommodated. Very nice carpet. This is the dressing table, and we have TV available. This is also a king size bathroom. Then we have some living area as well. This is the wardrobe. Everything is wood, even the floor is wood floor. Beautiful wallpaper. Here is the exit. Then we have a beautiful lounge. These are all Nilagiri estates. Here is the dining area. We have a beautiful dining area. Here it is. In the evening time, they will project and they will show movies and cricket, etc. And believe me, we have a very tasty food available here. We came here in off season, and generally this vintage room is 8,000 per day, but we got it for around 4K. Here is the beautiful garden. So this is Kluney Manor in Ooty. Please visit.